Hello. Today I'll cover the essential contracts, documentation, and legal compliance steps you must follow to complete yacht transactions safely and professionally. Start with the paperwork that proves ownership and identity. Obtain the vessel's title, builder's certificate, bill of sale, current registration or flag documents, and a verified history of ownership. Always confirm there are no outstanding mortgages, liens, or arrests registered against the yacht. Use a heads of terms or reservation agreement to capture the main commercial points early: price, deposit amount, survey window, sea trial, and target completion date. This creates clarity and helps avoid misunderstandings before instructing solicitors. The sale and purchase agreement is the core legal document. It should set out the purchase price, payment structure, what is included in the sale, delivery condition, warranties, remedies for defects, VAT and tax responsibilities, and dispute resolution procedures. Use specialist maritime legal counsel to draft or review it. Handle deposits professionally. Use escrow or a client account held by solicitors or a reputable broker. Make deposit terms explicit, refundable or non-refundable. Timing and conditions under which it's forfeited or returned. Inspections and surveys are contractual milestones. Define the survey scope, acceptable defects, and remedial steps. Decide in advance who pays for remedial work, who selects the surveyor, and whether re-inspection is required. Address tax, customs, and registration compliance early. Clarify VAT status, paid, unpaid, or margin scheme, and responsibilities for import-export. Confirm flagging and class requirements, and ensure safety certificates, tonnage documentation, and crewing rules are met for the intended trading area. Comply with anti-money laundering and KYC rules. Verify beneficial ownership, source of funds, and carry out identity checks on all parties. Maintain records to satisfy banks, insurers, and regulators. Confirm insurance cover during the sale process, hull and machinery, third-party liability, and P&I where applicable. Set an agreed cutover point for risk and ensure continuous cover is in place at handover. In short, document ownership and encumbrances. Use clear heads of terms. Draft a robust sale agreement. Manage deposits via escrow. Define survey remedies. Verify tax/flag compliance. Complete AML/KYC. And maintain insurance cover. Need a sale checklist or contract template reviewed by a maritime lawyer? Get in touch. Professional documents make for safer, faster closings. Handle deposits professionally. Use escrow or a client account held by solicitors or a reputable broker. Make deposit terms explicit, refundable or non-refundable, timing and conditions under which it's forfeited or returned. Inspections and surveys are contractual milestones. Define the survey scope, acceptable defects, and remedial steps. Decide in advance who pays for remedial work, who selects the surveyor, and whether re-inspection is required. Address tax, customs, and registration compliance early. Clarify VAT status, paid, unpaid, or margin scheme, and responsibilities for import. Confirm flagging and class requirements, and ensure safety certificates, tonnage documentation, and crewing rules are met for the intended trading area. Comply with anti-money laundering and KYC rules. Verify beneficial ownership, source of funds, and carry out identity checks on all parties. Maintain records to satisfy banks, insurers, and regulators. Confirm insurance cover during the sale process, hull and machinery, third-party liability, and P&I where applicable. Set an agreed cutover point for risk and ensure continuous cover is in place at handover. In short, document ownership and encumbrances. Use clear heads of terms, draft a robust sale agreement, manage deposits via escrow, define survey remedies, verify tax/flag compliance, complete AML/KYC, and maintain insurance cover. Need a sale checklist or contract template reviewed by a maritime lawyer? Get in touch. Professional documents make for safer, faster closings.